Hello everyone, welcome to 3ddesignacademy.com. In this lesson, we will learn about the skin tool. Okay, so now that we learned how to create the curves, let's use that to create surfaces. So first of all, I'm gonna try to create the roof of the Audi e-tron car by creating curves and creating surfaces from those curves. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a curve that mimics the roof of the canvas right here. So I'm just going to use an edit point curve. I'm going to change it to degree 2. I'm going to say press go. I'm going to click the beginning and the end, like this. And I'm just going to grab the CV like this and adjust it to the approximate shape of the vehicle. So I think I might need one more degree, so I'm gonna change that to degree 3. I'm just gonna raise this up just a bit in order to mimic the shape like that. So now we cannot create the roof with what's on one curve. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste, Control C, Control V, or you can go to edit here and you can copy. You can also see the shortcut here, paste, like this. I'm just gonna move it lower just a bit, like that. Now we're just trying to, so for this exercise, we're just trying to learn how to create the curve. So I'm not going to concentrate on getting the shape perfectly. I'm just gonna mimic the shape as closely as possible, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of time trying to make it perfect. Okay, so right now we have the curve like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move it like that, lower it, and I think that's pretty close. So I'm gonna go to the top view now. We have the center curve here, but we need to move the curve over here. So I'm just gonna move it. So I grab the curve like this, and from the top view, by pressing F5, just gonna drag it down like that. And even though I fit it here, I think it should actually be located somewhere here. But for this exercise, I'll just, actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's try to fit it as close as possible. This. Okay, I think that's pretty close. And actually, while I'm doing that, I'm probably going to move it up just a little bit because it should actually, the curve should live somewhere around here. So let's move that back up, and I'm gonna move the CV up also like that. Now we're just doing an approximation of the whatever image that we see right here. So I'm not going to spend too much time trying to make it perfect. So in order to create a skin, let's go to surfaces, and you'll see a skin right here. Skin is one of the most basic tools that you use to create surface with. So what it does is it connects two edges, whether it be curves or surface edge. So all you have to do is click skin. You don't really need to go into the options. So all you have to do is click one curve like this and click the other. And now you have a surface like this. And now we're gonna go to symmetry. And right now we have a peak right here in the middle. And if you see any car, there is no peak in the roof. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the second stage. So what I'm going to do is right now we have symmetry on. So I'm going to create another layer, and I'm going to put this curve. Actually, I'm going to turn symmetry off on this layer, and I'm going to put the curve here, and I'm going to put symmetry on that. So right now we have one curve with symmetry. So if I adjust this curve, the other side is going to move with it also. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press a skin again, and I'm going to click through all three curves. So now if I was just to click like this individually, oh, actually, let me make my default, I'll just need to activate my default layer like this. I'm gonna press skin. Now, if I just click like this and like that, basically you're just creating two surfaces with a peak in the middle. However, I'm gonna press skin again. Now, I'm gonna click once here and I'm gonna hold shift when I click on this curve. So hold shift and click here. And what it did, it created a curve. It created a surface that goes through all the curves. It's on a flat curve. It's on a flat surface. It actually has shape. So this tool is used actually a lot when you're creating a surface that goes across the center, such as the hood, the windshield, or the roof of the car. And you have a nice smooth surface with the surface going exactly through the curves that you determined. And this is how you create skin. Okay, so that concludes this lesson, and thank you for watching.